This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Sickfile. Sickfile is a special ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Sickfile ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So whenever you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Sickfile extension. The ransomware drops the ransom note mentioning that the files have been encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay it. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start examining the computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, I need to mention that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually. However, I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.